Sneeze into your elbow. It sounds simple, but it's a game changer for hygiene. When you feel that tickle in your nose, resist the urge to cover your mouth with your hand. Instead, use the crook of your elbow. This keeps those pesky bacteria and viruses off your hands, preventing them from spreading to everything you touch. Think about it. When you sneeze into your hands, you're just transferring germs to your keyboard, your phone, or even shaking hands with someone. Not cool, right? If you have a napkin handy, great. Use it and toss it afterward. But if not, your elbow is your best friend. Just remember to wash your hands afterward to keep everything clean. It's a small change that can make a big difference in keeping everyone healthy.